In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your employees' leave requests. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then select either your enterprise or a specific location and click on Employees. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Leave. You should now arrive at a page that shows a chart with your leave requests for the year and the details of those requests in a chart beneath that. I could have also arrived at this page by going to the top menu bar and clicking on Teamwork, then choosing Leave from the drop-down menu. That will take you directly to the leave page. The top chart will automatically open on the current year. If you want to change this, use the forward or backward arrows, or click on the calendar icon and select the date. Requested leave is in yellow, granted leave is in green, denied leave is in red. And you would also be able to see canceled leave if there were any of those. To view the details for a specific leave, click on that month, and that month's leave will appear in the bottom chart. This is where you can make any changes to the leave requests. You can deny them, grant them, or change it to an open request. So if I wanted, I could change this top one that is requested to denied. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to do that. If I don't, I will choose cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that request has been denied and it has moved in the top chart down to the denied section. To add a leave request, I can click on this Add button, then choose an employee. Let's say this one. Choose a leave type, maybe maternity leave, and then select the dates. I will leave it on today, and let's say they are getting 6 weeks of maternity leave. So I'll click on this one and go all the way to this 9th. I could enter in specific times that they have off. I'll go ahead and leave that blank for now. TeamWork 5 will automatically calculate the hours total, and the status right now is requested. I might go ahead and change this to granted automatically. Maybe I'll leave a comment saying baby delivered. If I don't want to add this leave, I would choose close. I do, so I will choose save. And because this employee is currently on the schedule, I can't automatically grant it. So I'll go ahead and change this back to a request and then choose save. A green save bar will appear at the bottom of my screen, letting me know when this page was last saved. And on the top chart, notice there are new leave requests for the months of September, October, and November. If I want to delete a leave request, I can select that leave request. So let's go to that one that I just created. Then I can choose delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete that entry. If I don't, I'll choose cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that request has been deleted. I could also go to this request in November and grant it if I want. Again, TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to do that. I'll click OK. And now that request has been granted. To change it back to a request, I can click on Request, choose OK, and now it's a request again. To change this bottom chart, I could also use these forward and backward arrows, or click the calendar icon and select a month that way. And that's how you can manage your employees' leave requests. From this page, you can add, delete, grant, deny, and request leave. Check out the next video to learn how to manage your employees' agreements.